Welcome to Talk Easy English! Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Leo.
Today, we're going to focus on some really useful phrases that you can use in your daily life. These phrases will help you navigate various situations and conversations more smoothly.
That's right, Emma. Let's dive right in. Our first phrase is, could you please repeat that?
Yes, this is a great phrase to use when you didn't quite catch what someone said. For example, if you're in a noisy environment or on the phone and need someone to repeat themselves.
Absolutely. It shows that you're attentive and interested in understanding the other person. Another useful phrase is, can you help me, please?
Right, Leo? This phrase is perfect for when you need assistance with something. For instance, if you're in a store and can't find what you're looking for, you can ask a staff member, "Can you help me, please?"
Exactly. It's polite and straightforward. Now let's talk about, I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Yes, this phrase is helpful if you're having trouble following a conversation or if someone is speaking too quickly. You can say, "I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain it again?"
It's important to feel comfortable asking for clarification when needed. Moving on to another common phrase, nice to meet you.
This is a friendly phrase used when you're introduced to someone new. It's a great way to start a conversation, for example. "Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you."
Indeed, Emma. Using this phrase helps create a positive first impression. Let's not forget thank you and you're welcome.
These are fundamental expressions of gratitude and politeness. Thank you is used to show appreciation, while you're welcome is the appropriate response when someone thanks you.
Absolutely. Showing gratitude is important in any language. Now let's discuss, excuse me.
Excuse me is versatile. You can use it to get someone's attention, to move past someone politely, or to apologize if you accidentally bump into someone.
It's a handy phrase for various everyday situations. Remember, being polite goes a long way in communication.
That's right, Leo. These phrases are simple yet effective tools for improving your daily interactions in English.
Now let's explore more phrases that can enhance your communication skills. How about, I need your assistance?
Yes, Leo. "I need your assistance" is a formal and polite way to ask for help. For example, if you're at work and require support from a colleague, you can say, "Excuse me, I need your assistance with this task."
Precisely, Emma. Being clear and respectful in seeking help is essential in professional environments.
Another useful phrase is, "Could you explain that in more detail?"
Absolutely, Emma. This phrase is valuable when you want a deeper explanation or location about a topic. For instance, if you're in a meeting and need more information about a project, you can say, could you explain that in more detail, please?
It's important to show genuine interest and curiosity in understanding the subject matter.
Moving on, let's talk about, I appreciate your assistance.
Yes. "I appreciate your assistance" is a gracious way to express gratitude for someone's help. It acknowledges their support and shows respect.
And don't forget, could you please speak more slowly?
Right, Leo. This phrase is helpful when someone is speaking too quickly for you to follow. You can politely ask them to slow down so you can better understand.
Effective communication involves being clear and considerate of each other's needs.
Absolutely, Leo. Let's also discuss, "May I interrupt you for a moment?"
Yes, Emma. May I interrupt you for a moment is a polite way to interject during a conversation. It shows respect for the other person's speaking time while allowing you to contribute.
It's important to be mindful of when and how we interrupt others to ensure productive communication.
Now, let's explore phrases related to expressing preferences. How about, I'd prefer to meet in the morning?
Good suggestion, Leo. "I'd prefer to meet in the morning" communicates your preference for a specific time. For example, if scheduling a meeting, you can express your availability by saying, "I'd prefer to meet in the morning if possible."
Clear communication of preferences helps in coordinating activities and schedules effectively.
Another useful phrase is, "Could we reschedule our appointment?"
Absolutely, Emma. Sometimes plans change, and it's important to be able to request a new appointment time politely. For instance, if you need to change a meeting time, you can say, "Could we reschedule our appointment for next week?"
It's considerate to offer alternatives when requesting schedule changes.
Moving on, let's discuss phrases for expressing apologies. How about, "I apologize for the inconvenience"?
Yes, Leo. I apologize for the inconvenience is a courteous way to express regret when something disrupts or inconveniences others. For example, if there's a delay or issue, you can say, I apologize for the inconvenience caused by the delay.
Acknowledging inconveniences shows respect for others, time, and understanding.
Another important phrase is, please accept my sincere apologies.
Absolutely, Emma. This phrase is used to offer a heartfelt apology for any mistakes or misunderstandings. It demonstrates sincerity and a desire to make amends.
Effective communication involves taking responsibility for our actions and showing empathy.
Now let's explore phrases related to making requests. How about, "Could you send me the report?"
Yes, Leo, could you send me the report is a polite way to request information or documents from someone. For instance, if you need a report from a colleague, you can say, could you send me the report by the end of the day?
Clear and direct requests help facilitate workflow and collaboration.
Another useful phrase is, would you mind helping me with this task?
Indeed, Emma, this phrase is polite and respectful when seeking assistance from others. For example, if you need help with a project, you can say, "Would you mind helping me with this task?"
It's important to be considerate of others' time and willingness to assist.
Moving on, let's discuss phrases for giving compliments. How about, "You did a fantastic job"?
Yes, Leo, you did a fantastic job is a great way to acknowledge someone's efforts and achievements. For instance, if a colleague completes a project successfully, you can say, you did a fantastic job on that presentation. Expressing genuine compliments fosters positive relationships and boosts morale. Another uplifting phrase is, I admire your creativity.
Absolutely, Emma. This phrase recognizes and appreciates someone's innovative thinking and talents. It's important to acknowledge and celebrate activity in others.
Effective communication includes recognizing and encouraging each other's strengths.
Now let's explore phrases related to offering help. How about, "Can I assist you with anything?"
Yes, Leo, can I assist you with anything? Is a kind and proactive way to offer help to someone. For example, if you notice a colleague struggling with a task, you can ask, can I assist you with anything?
Showing willingness to help strengthens teamwork and collaboration.
Another thoughtful phrase is, let me know if you need any help.
Absolutely, Emma. This phrase conveys openness and availability to support others. It encourages communication and cooperation within a team or group.
Effective communication involves being proactive in offering assistance and fostering a supportive environment.
Well, that wraps up our discussion of useful phrases for everyday communication. We hope you found these phrases helpful and will start incorporating them into your conversations.
If you have any questions or want to share how you use these phrases, feel free to reach out to us on our podcast platform.
Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep practicing and improving your English skills.
And remember, the more you use these phrases, the more confident you'll become in your English speaking abilities.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.